Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's your host, Gordon Zulu. So today we'll be looking at one interesting example involving both compound interest together with future value. So the question there reads to say a child is given a savings account with 2,000. So remember, for this to grow, remember this is put in an account. So for this to grow, we'll use the compound accrued formula. A further 500 is deposited in the account at the end of each year. So at the end of each year, we call this a future value. Assuming an annual interest rate of 6%, calculate the value of the account at the end of 10 years. So we know to say compound interest accrued formula is equal to compound interest equal to A naught is the amount that is put in the bank, 1 plus r to the power t. Then we know to say future value is equal to the principal 1 plus r to the power t minus 1 over r. Then from here, what we do, we add the compound interest plus the future value, where the compound interest is A naught 1 plus r to the power t. The reason why I have put A naught and p here, we not say also here you can put A naught, but when I put A naught and A naught, it will tell me to say this amount is the same as that amount. So I have just differentiated the letters to tell you to say no, we are putting different figures there. Then we add plus this, which is 1 plus r to the power t minus 1 over r. Where you note to say the A naught of the compound investment, which was put in the bank, was a 2,000. 1 plus, where the R in this case is the 6%, we convert it to a decimal, giving us 0.06 to the power t. In this case, the time they have said is 10 years. Plus, where the principal, the amount that was further deposited, which is a 500 kwacha, and the R we note is 0.06 to the power 10 minus 1 over R, which is 0.06. So from here, we just punch directly 1 plus 0.06, giving us that to the power 10 multiplied by 2,000. It is giving us 3,581.7 plus, then also here we just punch directly. We will punch 1 plus 0.06 to the power 10 minus 1 times 500 divided by 0.06, giving us 6,590.4. Then from here, we just add the two figures, 6,590.4 plus 3,581.7. We are getting 10,172.1. So this is the amount that they will get after the period of 10 years. Then from here, for you to know how to calculate, you can also, if you want, change the 10 to 20, change the 10 to 30, so that you are conversant with the calculations as well. Thank you. Your host, Gordon Zulu.